Rahim. Beginning to the name of Allah, the most beneficial and merciful. Today, our topic is about cranial bones in the human body. So, before starting that cranial bones, first, listeners, you are well to get this lecture about cranial bones. The person who are familiar with our channel, that is very good. If somebody did not subscribe our lecture, nursing lectures with Imtiaz, so kindly subscribe that one. So we are starting our lectures. Before we are going to demonstrate about the cranial bones to explore the bones names, which bones are paired and which unpaired. So we have in the cranial bones frontal bone, parietal bone, occipital bone, temporal bone, sphenoid bone, and ethmoid bone. So, parietal bones and temporal bones, they are paired. The rest are unpaired bones in the cranial bones. So, the ethmoid and sphenoid bone, which are at the base of cranial bones, so which we cannot see by our eyes superficially. It is deep inside the cranium. So I want to demonstrate that one. The first bone, which is unpaired, that is frontal bone, and we have two parietal bones, one on the right and one on the left side, and we have two temporal bones, one on the right side and one on the left side. That is brown color. So we have occipital bone, a blue color one. That is occipital bone. So we can touch them easily, just like temporal bone, parietal bone, frontal bone, ethmoid bone, occipital bone. The two bones which we cannot touch by our hand, which are on the downward side of the cranium, that is sphenoid and ethmoid. That is ethmoid and that is sphenoid. These bones. So we have total eight bones in the cranium. Ethmoid bone, which is towards the midline of the skull, just beneath the nasal bone as well as the ear, the eye socket. That is ethmoid bone and sphenoid bone, the pink color, the temporal bone, parietal bone, occipital bone, and frontal bone. These are the demonstration of just cranial bones, 14 bones. We have sutures over there in these cranial bones. The coronal suture, which is between the parietal bones and the frontal bone. We have sagittal sutures between the parietal bones. We have lambdoidal suture, which is between the parietal bone, occipital bone, and we have squamous suture, which is between the parietal bone as well as the temporal bone. So this is the little and short video about the demonstration of the cranial bones. Thanks a lot, students, listeners, and we will meet about some other bones in the next video. Thanks. आवाज वीडियो गुंजावी